She talks, and telling something, blah, 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 kind of like that. Kasi ang ano kasi, pag sabihin gossip, baka ano, diba? Why your name Mystica? You changed to Mystico. Okay. Naintindihan niya. Mystical artist. Mystical stamp artist. Ayan. Do you have new video, my friend? Let me see. You have new video. You don't upload every day, do you? Oh! You only have 94. Still the same since when you came to my last live. Okay, nobody added yet. So this is your subscriber since when you came to my last live. 94. Okay. Ay, hindi ano to. Siguro na namugla. Ano siya. Yeah, I already watched this one, your latest short video. How old are you, Sir Mystico? Ayan. How old are you, how old are you, the mystical artist? Bata pa yata to, Mami Cha. Sabi niya, tumaba nga lang daw siya. Sabi. Ayan, are you still there? Mami Cha asking you, how old are you and where are you from? Ayan, ano na si Sir Piltay, busy na. May mga CCTV daw naglalakad doon. Sorry, gating kape. Ay, magkakape na daw siya, Mami Cha. Oh, get your coffee too, Mami Cha. Sabayan mo si Mystical. Piltay, my love team. Ayan, busy na siya, Mami Cha. May mga naglalakad daw na CCTV kanina. Me too, getting coffee. Ayan. Mami Cha, you as a Ohio. I'm shy, my page. Ayan. Nasa Ohio siya, Mami Cha, USA. Enjoy your coffee, guys. Enjoy your breakfast. And Sir Junbib, maybe he's done his dinner too. And Alberta is 8:20 in the evening. Here is 10:20. I'll be right back, guys. I'm just gonna get my something in the kitchen.